Today we're doing some Christmas baking as we're heading towards that time of year and we're all desperate for some lovely Christmas treats. So I did a poll a few weeks ago on Instagram and I asked whether people would prefer a plain shortbread or a Millionaire's shortbread. And interestingly, it was a very close poll and it was plain shortbread that won. But I do know how popular that incredibly indulgent and rich Millionaire's shortbread is. So I decided that I would make both for you today and add a daffodil soup twist. So we're making chocolate shortbread and plain shortbread, which is the basis of our Millionaire's shortbread. And so we'll top that with caramel and melted chocolate for a triple whammy. I've started in here, I've weighed out my flour, my sugar, my unsalted butter with a pinch of salt. In another little bowl over here, I've weighed out the exact same ingredients, but I've added 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And I'm going to do the same with the chocolate dough. So here I have my chocolate shortbread bake mixture, and I'm going to pop that down for a minute to rest. What I've got here is a very useful brownie tin because it's square, which is the shape I'm looking for, and also it's a loose bottom. I've lined it with baking parchment. I've got my vanilla base of shortbread. I'm going to roll it between 2 sheets of baking parchment. I'm just going to check where I am here, square off the edges where I can. That is almost there, so I've got my square shape. I need to put this into the fridge to chill just for 10 minutes, and I'm going to roll out the chocolate pastry and do this. So I've got my 2 doughs. I'm going to very carefully flip this one over and pop it on top. Should both be the same size. And so I've got a layer of chocolate and a layer of vanilla. I'm going to do 3 centimeter bursts, or just over 3 centimeters. Just square this off. I'll do it like that, and I will go 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. And I'm going to use my ruler here to be as accurate as I can to slice that. And I've got the 2 lovely colours, and I'm going to put this into my tin, push it into the corner. This one, the next one I have, get my 3 centimeter strip to flip it over. So I've got the vanilla on the top. So there we are, I have my stripy shortbread. Our shortbread is out of the oven and I'm really happy with it. I hope you can see the stripes. And I just wanted to talk you through the other ingredients for our Millionaire's shortbread. So this is a condensed milk caramel. You can buy this in a tin in the supermarket. I made this one myself. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop it in the microwave for 10-15 seconds just to loosen it up because it's quite solid. And the other thing I have here is my topping, which is a mix of dark chocolate calots and milk chocolate calots. So the dark chocolate ones are 53% dark chocolate, and this is a milk chocolate. And then I have a knob of butter, probably about 20 grams of butter in the bottom, which is going to make a kind of a ganache. I'm just going to melt it so that I can give it a quick stir and pour it over the top. of my shortbread. And melted chocolate. This onto my shortbread and caramel and just spread it.